In this video, we'll quickly recap the laws of exponents for grade 8 algebra. In our first example, we have x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 2. And the first law says that if the bases are the same and we multiply terms together, then we can add up their exponents. So here we can see we have 5 plus 2, which is equals to 7. So with multiplication, we add exponents together. The second law, the law of division, says that if the bases are the same, then we can subtract exponents from one another. So here we have x to the power of 5 divided by x squared, and the answer is x cubed, and that comes from saying 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So with division, we subtract exponents. Next, we move to brackets. If we want to remove the brackets, we would multiply the exponents with one another. To remove this bracket, we would say 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. So that's our third law. And our next law builds on the previous one. So here we have x to the power of 5, y to the power of 3 in brackets, and we want to remove these brackets. So we will multiply the exponents of each base, meaning I'll multiply 5 with 2, that gives me 10. And I take the exponent of y, which is 3 times 2, and that becomes y to the power of 6. So law 4 is we multiply the exponents of each base. And then lastly, we have a definition that says anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And I explained this in the previous video. It actually comes from the second law. So if I say x squared divided by x squared, you would know because the numerator and denominator is the same, that will be equal to 1. But if I apply the second law, it will be x to the power of 2 minus 2, which is x to the power of 0, and that's also equal to 1. And those are the basic laws of exponents that we use in grade 8 algebra.